Good morning, everyone. I do believe that you all are well. As you know, we cannot do every work ourselves. So we have our helpers. So this is the picture of our helpers who do help us in various works. In the same way, a computer needs help of other devices to do many other work. Yes. So this is our chapter number 2, helpers of computer. Helping parts of a computer. A computer has many helping parts which help it to do many more things like printing on paper and recording your voice, etc. So number 1 is printer. So this is a printer. A printer allows us to print on paper. The printed paper that comes out from the printer is called printout. So babies, this is a printer. The spelling of printer is Print, print, E-R-R, printer. Print, print, E-R-R, printer. So printer allows us to print on paper. Just imagine you have drawn something in paint on computer and you want that on a paper. So printer can help you. So this is a printer. Okay? And the printed paper that comes out from the printer is called the printout. So this is a printout. The printed paper that you get from the printer is printout. The spelling of printout is Print, O-U-T, out. This is printout. This is printout. Okay? Now, headphones. This is the another helper of computer. Headphones. The headphones are used for listening to the music. The headphones are used for listening to the music. The music produced on computer will be played in your ears only. So these two are the wireless headphones. You can see here, this is the red in color and this one is blue in color. So these are headphones. Okay. So how does headphones help us? Actually, we can listen to the music alone. Yes. So without disturbing other, we use these headphones to listen to the music or recorded audios on these headphones. Remember, purpose of headphone is listening sound without disturbing others. So headphones help us to listen the music. Now the next is, so here you can see a girl is using headphones, right? Microphone. The next helper is microphone. You can record your voice into a computer and play it whenever you want. So this is the picture of microphone. Okay, so you can record your voice into a computer with the help of a microphone. A microphone helps us to record your voice into the computer. Now what is this? Here you can see the picture of headphone and one microphone attached to it. So this is a headset. This is a headset. Here the headphone and microphone are together. So headphones and microphones together. So the whole unit is called the headset. H-E-A-D, head, S-E-T, set. This is a headset. So with the help of headset, you can listen to music and record your voice into computer as well. Okay, so this is a headset. Now the next is webcam. W-E-B web C-A-M cam. This is a webcam. A webcam is used to capture and share images. It is just like your smartphone. Okay, so you can capture and share the images. In laptops, it is inbuilt above the screen. For a desktop, you can buy it separately. So this is the picture of a webcam. The spelling of webcam I have told you before. W-E-B web C-A-M cam. W-E-B web C-A-M cam. Webcam. So this is a webcam. In smartphones, we use front camera for selfies and videos. It is just like that. In desktop, we can do video calls and click and share pictures with a webcam. Okay, so this is a webcam. Now storage parts of the computer. Storage parts of the computer. The storage parts are called storage devices. So some of the storage devices help us to store the work that we have done on computer. They help us to store our computer work. We need to store our work so that we can get it back from the storage devices when a need arises. So if you want your work back, so storage devices help us. Now look, he is Mohan. What he is saying, I store my school homework in a notebook. And here is Reena. What he is saying, Reena is saying, I store my work in a pen drive. So she is saying, I store my work in a pen drive. I will tell you about later what is pen drive. Okay, so this picture you can see what are the storage devices. Number 1 is hard disk. Hard disk. H-A-R-D hard, D-I-S-K disk. This is a hard disk. You can see here a hard disk is kept inside the CPU cabinet. It is not visible from outside. So this is a hard disk. You can't see it because it is inside the cabinet, and whatever you do on computer, it is saved in this hard disk. Okay. Number 2 is pen drive. Number 3 is compact disc. Number 4 is digital versatile disc, or we can say it DVD. So these four parts are the storage devices. Okay, so just look at this. This is a hard disk. This is a hard disk. You can see here. So the cabinet, this is the inside picture of cabinet, you can see here. So this is the hard disk. This hard disk is kept inside this CPU cabinet, and it stored all the work that we have done on computer. Okay, the spelling of hard disk is H-A-R-D hard, D-I-S-K disk. Hard disk. Now what is this? This is a pen drive. What is this? Pen drive. P-E-N pen, D-R-I-V-E drive. Pen drive. It looks like a keyring. We can store any work like written work or different files in this device. Okay, so this is a pen drive. Now the next is, what is this? Tell me, I know. You know this. Yes, this is a compact disc, or you can say CD. Compact disc. The full form of CD is compact disc. Let's learn this spelling. C-O-M, P-A-C-T, pact. Compact. C-O-M, P-A-C-T, pact. Compact, D-I-S-K, disc. So this is a compact disc. It is round in shape and has a shiny surface. We insert the CD in CPU. We insert this CD in CPU and get the things that is saved in this CD. Yes, so we can get whatever we have done and saved in this CD. Okay. As you know, when there is dance competition in school, you bring CDs, pen drives and give it to your ma'am because you have saved the music file in CD and pen drives. Right? So, you want to dance on the same music file on your dance competition, so you would give it to your ma'am and ma'am played this on computer, right? So these are CDs and pen drives. Now what is this? This is a DVD. DVD full form is Digital Versatile Disc. Digital Versatile Disc. It looks like a CD. You can see here it just looking like a CD. But it can store more work than a CD. Okay, so the space is more in this DVD. So these all are the storage devices. That's all for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video and learned a lot about the computer and the helping devices. Till then, take care. Bye bye.